Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open a settings or any app that allows us to scroll down, then make a screenshot by pressing a power key and volume down key at the same time. Here click on a scroll. Now it should begin creating a screenshot, so it scrolls down. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of a page that's already loaded on the screen. At the end it should proceed to the screenshot like this, and now as you can see we just made a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.